How do? How do? How do? Hey!
Well, what a lovely day today. Bloody warm and all. Lots of cloud about that. Right, I'm doing the front to the offside bed. Fucking raining. Can you believe it? Sun's back out now, so I've brought all my stuff back out. Oh god. Yeah, I've cut one for the door, the bathroom door. I've just done that now. It's done and it's out at way. So right, I shall get routing. Well, do you think that when you do videos and everything goes right? Well, I'll just show you something here. I've just been in to offer that up. You know, to the side of the bed, and this side is about 3 centimeters too short, high. That is perfect. How I've done that, but you can even see it, can't you? Look at that. Look at the difference. I don't. Measured twice, cut once. If it had been round front cutting, I'd have probably gone in and checked it, but because I'm around here, I just couldn't be arsed. Flip. Right, so that's gonna have to wait a few months now, because I'm gonna have to buy a fresh sheet. Oh, I don't believe it. Oh, don't rain, it pours. And that don't look long enough anyway that I've cut. Right, anyway. The board that I've cut for the door, bathroom door, it's 2 millimeters short in length that I want, but I'm going to make do with it. So I'm going to cut that to replace the cock up. I can't believe that. Right, so I'm not going to film it. I'm going to concentrate on that. You know what I did anyway, so I'll be doing exactly the same. Right, 2 hours later I've done it. There. What I've done, I've actually knocked the knocking trim, and I've also put glue in the groove. It's alright. There we go. All tidied off. Right, what I have to do now, which I'm bloody terrified of doing, is go inside, because last time I had to screw it from this end. The other side's the back end, this is the front end. I had to screw it along here, you know, into the piece that pulls out, but at the same time I glued it. Yeah, so anyway, I need to put some pieces down here, and also I'm putting that fancy trim on front, which I shall do now. 3, don't show it. It's supposed to be level, and then you can get your hinges on in that. Oh, for God's sake. It's me. Can anything go right? What it were, them pieces that I've got, the 15mm ones, I bought them from O'Leary's. So I measured them before I ordered this board, assuming that I got my stuff from them before. And I didn't. Theirs is 12mm for their 12mm boards at Magnum. You know, that stuff. Right, but I've got a piece here. Well, I had. Oh yeah. Got this one. It's slightly different. You know, as in you've got 3 of them dudes there, whereas the Magnum one and it is same. Well, almost. It isn't as light as Magnum's. But anyway, I got this ages ago from Magnum, and the distance from there to there is 15mm. But the distance from there to there, the one from Magnum, is 12. This is for the 12mm boards. As I say, because I thought I got it from Magnum, this, and I didn't. I got it from O'Leary's because it was cheaper. Oh, I don't believe this. And I can't use it. I can use it on this. You know, it don't matter about it being missing on back a bit, but I can't do cupboards. I can't do cupboards with it. So I don't know what to do now. Oh, what a pig. I could use these on the bottoms here, but I wanted to do a couple of cupboards and bathroom door, but I can't, so I won't. No, in fact, yeah, I can use this on bottom, can't I? Because it don't matter about that showing underneath, because it's on the deck, innit? It's on the floor. You know that. Yeah, I'll show you the difference. Look. Right, it's a case of just finished these and I don't know. I've that bloody wood and all, and the 15mm board I could use. Do you know? Oh. Right, I'll just finish these bottom and I'll put the other one on the other side. I'm gonna have to cut that though, in situ. Right. Right, let's see if this fits, eh? Oh, I can't believe I've done that with bloody Magnum. It's not their fault, is it? You know what I mean? It's my fault. Being tight. I'll tell you what it is, if this don't fit, that's it. I'm selling it wrong. Oh, I don't believe it. Oh, I've got to put a thing on bottom. Haven't I? That's it. Right, when I put that bit of trim on bottom there, it'll lift up that much. Right, I should have brought a piece one way or the other. Like I say, I could have just edited it all out, couldn't I? But no, I wanted to show you what a pillock I am. You know, I live in an estate here. It's all old people's bungalows, and I swear not, I used to live on a council estate. Well, it is a council estate, you know what I mean? But they were proper rough. There were police around all the time. You just norm. I see more police on here going to old folks than I did with young uns. I swear not. Night time? Honestly, blue lights and everything. It's a cul-de-sac. Well, another one's just gone past. The bad ones, you know, these old ones. Oh. So, I've marked it. Yon. What am I doing here? Width of one of them. From there. If you know what I mean. Then I could score a line. Drill some holes. Come in. Get some glue on it. Oh, not only that, I want to put some vertical ones as well. Vertical. Oh, I can't believe what I'm about to do. Right, I've got this stuff. It's just peel off. Sticky tacky stuff. I know there's a split down it, but it's better than showing the white in it. Right, thing is now, will I be able to cut that? Like I say, these with this stuff, they're really hard. I'll give it a go with this. Hiya, Jav.
See you later.
See you in a bit. Right, I've done a bit of damage there, but I think that'll hide behind that. Right, like I say, you've only one chance at this. It's a bit like bloody contact adhesive. You've only one chance with that, haven't you? Oh, I've gone too much. Oh, look. Oh, there's no chance. Oh, it might be okay anyway. Right, same on the other side. Right, done it. Huh, looks alright, doesn't it? Like I say, that'll give more of a smoother. Yeah. Right, I'm just gonna offer it in now. This is real YouTube. I've drilled my holes. Ah. Right, I'm going to have to be quick. Battery's just gone, so I'll just show you finished product tomorrow. Show you now anyway. Yeah, because the battery went in it the other day. Right, that's it. Fitted. Looks a lot better with that do-one bottom, doesn't it? There we go.